Hello everyone, today I will be doing a K-tip install using 2 bundles, 200 grams of kinky straight hair. Here's my client hair. She's natural and going full gray, and I'm going to flat iron her hair at a low heat, but I just wanted to show you guys, how fast this gets to a 500 degree, but we're not using it that hot. Anyway, so here's her hair, flat iron, and I trimmed it. So this is the hair that we'll be using. And I started in the back. She wanted the back to be black because her hair in the back is black. So as we went up, I started using the gray hair. So here I am mixing some of the black and the gray together as I finished that bundle, and then moved all the way up with nothing but gray hair. So here goes one bundle. Going to blow dry that to smooth it out because she does not want her hairstyle at the end, so she wants it to look very natural. So I'm going to be doing the side, and the side are more sensitive on her head. So I'm cutting the tips halfway so that they're smaller and more undetectable. And then I'm going to split them in half, as you can see. And then those will go at the top on the temple and the crown area to make it very flat and undetectable. And this is another reason why I love K-tip, is that you can customize the bond, and I will do it for you. So you see those knots? I do a lot of Brazilian knots, so I call tips and not all the same thing, but you see the K-tip and the bonds are really small. And they lay pretty flat. So this install took me about 3 hours to do. And, that's now with the blow drying and flat iron of her hair before I started. But the actual install of the K-tips took me 3 hours. So it doesn't take that long. Well, it doesn't take me that long. And I don't think it takes a lot of people a lot of time to do it. If they know what they're doing and they're used to doing it. So it's something that, that's easy to move quickly through. So I don't use a scalp protector or a shield. It's actually easier for me to work without it. I move fast and I don't necessarily need it. So if you need it, then, that's fine. But I find myself working faster without it, so I don't use it. And no, I do not burn my client's scalp. No one has complained, so I don't think I'm burning anyone's scalp. So it's a very easy process, and it's fun. I love the color. I see a lot of women that are going gray, and they go through this annoying process for them of having to color their gray all the time. And she decided to embrace all her grays and let them grow out. So her only issue was finding the gray color that would match hers. And this is what she came up with. She had a vendor, and she got the vendor to make the gray hair for her, the exact color that she wanted. So I was like, I need to find my vendor to do this because I like this. I carry kinky straight hair, the exact texture, but not the gray. So we're working on that. So here I am taking the rubber band out around the perimeter so I can do her updo, just to put it up in a ponytail so that she can see. You see her hair back there is black. And this hair is very soft, very light. Like, she loved the fact that it was so lightweight. She was like, I couldn't believe you put everything in my hair and I can't feel it. Like, I know you put them in there, but it's so light. Like, look how easy this looks to pull it up in a ponytail. There's no pain. It's not tight. So if you were skeptical of getting K-tip extensions, I mean, look how easy this is. And it looks so good. So I'm wrapping this up a little bit because I wanted her to see like how flawless it is once it goes up in a bun, like you would know. Alright, so I took it down. So I'm going to do a part in the middle. Blow dry the leave out to blend it in, because remember, we're not styling her hair. She wants to wear it like it's her natural hair. So all I'm going to do is flat iron the leave out. Nope, sorry. I'm not going to flat iron. I'm going to blow dry the leave out to smooth it down. I'm trimming a little bit. She doesn't want to lose the length. She wants to keep all of it. And I don't blame her. So I just put a little bit of layers in the front. And I'm just going around to kind of clean it up a little bit. Not too much off, because, you spend all that money on that hair. You don't want to take too much. Yes, she's moving a lot. But, she's excited. She can't wait for me to be done so that she can play with her hair. I don't blame her. She was truly excited that it didn't take me a long time, because she thought that she was going to be sitting there for like a long time. And she was like, oh my God, like this is quicker than braids. I'm like, yeah. But we had an awesome time doing this for her. And she truly, truly loved it. And I loved it too. So I'm like, I need to get K-tip now in my own hair. How am I going to do that? But trying to put some layers, just a little bit, because she didn't want me to cut a lot. So I did as much as I could. So if you have any question regarding to K-tips or any of the hair extension services that I provide, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of it, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Now, I have a TikTok account, I have an Instagram account, I have a Facebook account, I have a YouTube account. So if I don't get to you, bear with me. So you see how this hair moves? A little blow dry, and it's good to go. I'm using a little bit of wax at the top for the flyaways. I was going to flat iron that area. I'm so used to flat ironing people's hair, but I had to remember that her hair being gray, too much heat can turn that hair a little yellow, and she's trying to keep it as silver as possible, and I agree with her. So I wanted to show you guys the bonds, how small they are. You see how small they are? Look at that. Oh, I love it. Now here we go. We are fully done. Oh my God, I love this. So I'm going to pull her hair back for a little updo trial. She's getting married soon, and I will be doing her hair for her wedding. And she wanted to have an idea of the style that we can do for her wedding. So this is just me kind of showing her something that she can do for her wedding, the half up, half down. And she's like, no, pull the whole thing up. And she's showing me where her veil is going to go. So this would be the center of the updo so that the veil can go there. Now, I thought that if the veil is going up there, we could probably do a low bun. But she's like, no, put it all the way up. I said, okay. So here we go. We're going up, getting higher. And I'm like, well, let's give you a little bit of, curls on the side. And she's like, yeah, that works. We could do a little bit on the side. I'm like, okay. So let me wrap this hair up. Now you see this hair is moving like there's nothing in there. Like I just did a full install of K-tip, and you can tell, like, we're playing with this hair like this is her hair. That is your goal when you're getting hair extension. When you're spending all that money, $2,000, $3,000, whatever, for your hair extension, you should be able to do this. What we're doing right now, like, I just put this in. Like, if you walked in, you would not know that we just put hair extension in. So this is kind of like the look that she's looking for. It's not the exact look, but this is kind of like a little mock-up of what we would do for her wedding hair. So I hope you like this install, and if you would like to get K-tip one day, come holler at me.